Hello and welcome to another Python tutorial. My name's Tom with LearnPythonTutorial.com, and in today's tutorial we're going to learn how to concatenate tuples. Exciting, right? Well, there may be a time when you need to actually combine two tuples together, but it's important to remember that you can't actually change a tuple because it's immutable. So we can combine them and reassign them to create a new tuple, and it could be represented by the previous variable. So it's kind of like the same thing, but it's not. But it's important to understand that we can't actually change the tuple, where we would create a new tuple. So let's go ahead and create one. I don't know if I said that because I hit the pause button by accident. But anyway, we're going to create a tuple. And then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we go. We created a tuple. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The parentheses indicate a tuple. Alright, so what happens if we want to combine a tuple? Let's create another tuple. Let's do B is assigned to represent another tuple, and we can create another tuple like this. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, there we go. We got another tuple. We call it B. Now we got 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, so you saw there's these two ways to create a tuple. But that's not what we're focusing on. Now we want to combine these two tuples here to make one big tuple. So I can do A, and concatenation is indicated by the plus symbol, and B, and hit return, and now I got a very long tuple here. So if I go A, up, you see my tuple's the same. If I go B, my tuple's the same as the previous one. So we didn't actually change anything. We just said, hey, A plus B, give me this long tuple here. Now, say we wanted this tuple to be something, wanted a variable to represent it, we could do something like C is equal to A plus B, hit return, call C, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 all contained in a tuple. Alright, so now we have 3 separate data blocks here. We got A, we got B, and now we got C. Alright, let's see, we could I want to show you, if we do A plus, let's say, 5 and 6. Now, you saw up here, we can create a tuple without the parentheses around it. But if we're concatenating, we have to put the parentheses around it. We got to indicate it's a tuple. There's no shorthand way around it. So we hit return, and we get a traceback arrow which says we can only concatenate a tuple, not an integer. So these are integers, right here, 5 and 6, and A is representing a tuple, as right here. Alright, so we cannot concatenate them together. We could, what else do I want to show you? Oh, we could do, sorry about that, pause the video, my son came up and yelled. Alright, I'm sure you heard that. How would we fix this right here? Alright, so we can do A plus, and then the parentheses, 5 and 6, hit return, and now we got a tuple returned to us as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But as you can see, I did not change the tuple A. Alright, if we want to change the tuple A, we could do A is equal to A plus, parentheses, 5, 6, parentheses, hit return, and there we go. As you can see right here, A is equal to, so we're reassigning what A is now representing. A plus concatenating 5 and 6 on would give us an answer of this. And there you go. Right here is our new tuple. A is now representing an actual tuple. And that is called reassignment. This equal sign is saying reassigning. So we're not actually, A is not actually now pointing to this data here. It's now pointing to this data here. Alright. So if you have any questions about concatenation in Python, leave a comment on YouTube or on our website at LearnPythonTutorial.com. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. And we'll see you in the next one where we repeat tuples. Have a great day.